The increasing need for energy depletes our natural resources rapidly, and efficient energy use is the quickest way to slow down this process. Unfortunately, 1 out of 2 crops produced worldwide either gets spoiled or decays, and the most common and healthy way of preserving the other crop is using cold storage. All sorts of cold storage facilities are built to store crops for long periods and operate with similar logic. The entire software and equipment used in these systems contain similar configurations. The total energy which is consumed by these systems costs $1.5 billion in Turkey and $15 billion in Europe. Let's take a look at how these cold storage facilities, consuming high amounts of energy, operate. The cooling cycle begins in the compressor, which enables the gas within the system to be heated and rotated. The gas, which is absorbed from the evaporator, is delivered to the condenser by being pressurized with the pistol. The fan on the condenser blows cool air onto the gas to make it dense and turn it into liquid, which then collects in the storage tank. The liquefied gas is directed towards the evaporator with pressure and turns into gas by being pulverized with an expansion valve, as in sprays. This drops the heat in the evaporator to the temperatures below zero. The evaporator delivers the cold air into the room with a fan to make the room cool. The cooling process continues until it gets to the temperature which is previously set to a certain degree, and then allows the room to be heated at the set differential temperature. When the room temperature increases, the system begins the cycle all over again in order to make the room cold. In the usual cycle of cooling, the system operates the compressor for each need for cooling. Defrosting is the procedure of dissolving the ice. In order to perform defrosting, the whole system is stopped and the ice is defrosted with the heat of the resistors in the evaporator. Defrosting is performed 4 or 5 times on average throughout the day. Each of these defrosting procedures means quality, time, money, and energy loss. Thanks to Octosence, the cooling system delivers the cold air on the evaporator in a controlled way through its smart algorithm, and the compressor works less, resulting in the unnecessary need for defrosting. Thus, the entire energy used in cold storage is optimized, making cooling devices efficient, smart, and economical. With the Octosence, which is developed with the principle of efficiency, you can follow the daily period of keeping the cold storage doors open, detect any decrease in gas levels, pollution, breakdown, and failure in performance through the information of the compressor's daily schedule, and see the daily amount of electricity consumed in Turkish lira, US dollars, and euro, or in kilowatts. Therefore, your energy consumption is managed entirely by you. Cantek continues working on innovative energy solutions with the Octopush technologies and provides the world of cooling systems with inspiring products and services. The correct usage in energy consumption is a necessity to respect nature and our future. Use your energy wisely.